Good morning. This is 4 a.m. and we're already up and going. And probably the only thing that can make me wake up so early is going on a trip. We are going away for the weekend, and we are going to probably my favorite place, my favorite city in Iran. I'm not gonna break it out right now. So just wait a little bit and you will see what city it is. This trip is slightly different from our usual trips. This time we decided, instead of traveling by car, taking a train. So we've come to the train station, Tehran railway station, and yeah, we are going to catch our train. We boarded the train finally, and we are on our way to our destination, and there was no delay. So actually I must admit that we have traveled quite a lot by train in Iran, and we never experienced any delays. So it's really interesting that trains go quite on time in Iran. We have been on our way for half an hour, and we already have our first stop. An interesting fact about Iranian trains is that they usually stop for the prayer. They stop for like 20 minutes, so that those who want to pray get off the train and go inside the train station and to the prayer hall. We are in Rasht, and we are at the very center of Rasht, which is the Shahdari Square, the square of the city municipality. And this used to be the building for the municipality, but now I think there is nothing in there, maybe a museum or something. The main attraction of the city is the bazaar, which is also just around the corner. But before we explore the city, we want to have some breakfast. It's around 11 a.m. and we are super hungry. So we are going to have some omelette at a traditional tea house. There are a few sweets that are popular in Rasht and can't be found anywhere else around Iran, or at least maybe not the same quality. And one of them is Rasht. It's like a crepe made of rice flour with walnut and cinnamon filling. A dessert that is perfect for autumn, I'd say. So let's try one. It's very crispy outside, but it's very soft inside, like creamy even, and it has a really nice cinnamon flavor inside. But no, they fry it in oil, so it's kind of a bit too fat, too oily for me. Otherwise, the taste is good. It's not like too sweet, as it usually happens with other sweets around Iran. culture in Rasht and in the province of Gilo. We have been to Rasht multiple times, but every time we travel here, I get so excited because I love the city so much. And even right now, when we are in the main square, and I really honestly can't decide which way to go because I just want to see everywhere at once and just um, get all this, dive into this atmosphere of the city. And it is really difficult to decide which way to go and what places to see. But now we're probably going to check out a few historical houses in the neighborhood and then maybe have lunch or go to the bazaar. We will see. But everything has been great so far. And the weather, we are so lucky with the weather. There is no rain, although it gets cloudy a bit. But the weather is beautiful. It is not that cold yet, so everything's just perfect. We just finished our lunch and it was amazing. The restaurant was just beautiful, all the atmosphere and the northern music that was playing there. Oh, everything was just perfect and the food was just amazing. We've tried the dish that I have never seen in any other restaurant, so it was beautiful. And now we're absolutely full. But we are going to continue roaming in the city, in the historical center. We've already been to the bazaar and to one of the historical buildings that we wanted to visit, although they didn't permit any photographs, so I didn't make any videos of that. Maybe we'll have some sweet tea because our lunch was really very sour, like everything was quite sour, it was salty, so we need to balance it with something sweet. What I love about Gilan and the north of Iran is that their architecture is so local and so much different from other parts of Iran. For example, this is a mosque, and this looks absolutely different from what you can see all over Iran. They have the unique style in architecture, which is based on the local materials and local weather, the geographical position, and that's what I really love about this city, how unique it is and how authentic it is, and so much different from the rest of Iran. It has been an amazing day today. We have wandered a lot around the historical center of the city, and we've seen lots of old historical buildings, and we had an amazing lunch. We quite enjoyed ourselves and the city, the vibe of the city. But to be honest with you, Rasht, and especially its historical center, is not very big, and you can basically walk all of it, and that's why I think we walked past the main square several times during the day, and that's why, like, by the end of the day, we felt like, okay, where else can we go? Like, we have an hour or so, what else can we see? So you can quite easily see all the important places and landmarks in a day. I think it is the end of the week. That is why there are lots of tourists from Tehran and from other cities in Rasht. That's why it may be quite difficult to find tickets for the train or a bus, and it may be quite difficult to find accommodation, especially in a short time before the trip. And that's actually what happened to us. We wanted to stay in Rasht, of course, but we were booking our accommodation and tickets maybe a week or two, probably a couple of weeks before our trip, and there was no accommodation available in Rasht. So I mean, accommodation that would be appropriate for us, of course, like in terms of the price, in terms of the location, and the type of the accommodation. So we decided to stay in Bandar Anzali, which is another city by the Caspian Sea, maybe in an hour from Rasht, because we thought that that would be a great idea to see the Caspian Sea as well, and spend some time in Bandar Anzali as well. And that's why in the evening we took a taxi to Bandar Anzali, and tomorrow we're going back to Rasht again to explore more of it.